Good evening. My name is Saif, and the topic that today we will discuss is how to rank roofing websites in ChatGPT and other LLMs. Since you're watching this video, I'm sure that you actually want your roofing business to appear in the top of search result. But what if I told you that you can actually use ChatGPT and other LLM models to skyrocket your rankings and actually get more customers? Because stick around, in this video, I'm actually going to show you the exact strategies and ways that roofing companies are using to dominate online using tools like ChatGPT. You see, first of all, Google's algorithm is changing really fast. It's no longer the days of just having a local map pack and 10 blue links. Right now, AI-driven search is here, and it's gonna stay for the future. So, with ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other LLMs, the way the homeowners are actually going to find your business, it's going to be really different how it would happen like a few years back. So it's really important that you actually need to optimize your roofing website, not just for the traditional search, traditional Google SEO, as well as for the AI powered answers. And by the end of this video, I will actually show you how you can make your roofing website AI friendly, SEO friendly, and customer friendly all at the same time to drive more customers for your business. So first of all, let's try to understand the AI SEO shift. You see, search is evolving, and homeowners right now are no longer relying on traditional Google search. They're actually using tools like GPT as well as Google AI mode and overviews to get instant answer. This means that right now the goal is not just to appear on the first page now at the top of Google. Right now you actually are competing to become the answers that these AI models are recommending. And in order to win, first of all, it's really important. I believe the foundation is that you need to optimize your roofing website content for your keyword that you're targeting so that LLMs and GPT can actually understand, trust, and reference your business. And right now, let's face it, creating content is a lot easier than how it used to be before. So content is kind of commoditized. So it's even more important right now that you're actually building relevant backlinks. So before we dive in, like I just want to show you like one example of how it actually looks like in a place like ChatGPT. For instance, let's say if a homeowner is searching for name me roofers in Dallas. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the Google map pack, which is New View, Bird, Loansmith, like the companies that are appearing. But one thing that I want you to notice is that direction, website, and call. It means that your name, address, and info must be verified, and it must be on the Google My Business profile, and it must be accurate across all the websites. I'm talking about the citation and the directory links that you're going to build. And as we go down, like it's actually showing a lot more businesses, as you can see at the glance, contractor highlights. As you can see, like all these websites, like all these answers that they're giving is actually directly from the roofing website. And how are they appearing here? It's pretty simple. Their website is very likely to be optimized for the keyword that we just searched, which is roofing Dallas, Texas. And as we go down even more, like a lot of companies are also participating and getting mentioned in forums, discussion forums like Reddit. And I believe it's also really important that if Reddit is also a part of the search result for your keyword, then you should be also be try your best to appear in the subreddit that is recommending roofers. And lastly, like the thing that I want to show you the sources. As you can see, the entire result that we just came across right now is actually coming from a lot of different websites. It's coming from Sedur, Triple B, Yelp. As usual, these are citation and directory listings. And then there's Reddit, as we talked about it before. And then there's like the traditional websites that are appearing. And as I said, in order to be here, in order to be mentioned as one of the citation and one of the companies over here, you actually need to ensure that your content is highly optimized for the LLMs as well. And as we move forward, the next thing that I want to talk about is how do you actually optimize roofing content for ChatGPT and LLMs? Because here's a secret, like LLMs are actually trained on high quality, well structured content. And and right now, like with AI, like fortunately and unfortunately, a lot of people have actually become a lot lazy when it comes to creating content. So if you actually put in some effort and personalize your content according to your company profile, it's gonna do like really really well. So if you want your roofing website to rank, you must make it AI readable. So first of all, I would say target conversational and transactional keywords. So yes, first of all, you should go for transactional keywords. For instance, let's say is roof repair Dallas, but you should also target phrases like how much does a roof repair cost in Dallas? The truth is LLMs love these question-based queries. And secondly, build topical authority. It's really important that you publish popular pages on roofing topics like roof installation, location, like where you're operating, repair, location, where you're operating, maintenance, and the other service pages, which you are probably offering, let's say asphalt, metal, tiles, and other. And most importantly, create the location pages on the areas where you actually provide your service. And lastly, all these pillar pages should actually be supported by other relevant blog content, informative blog content. Third, use structured data and FAQs. Mark up your website using schema or data. Add FAQs at the bottom of your page so that GPT and Google AI mode and overviews can easily put snippets. And most importantly, write for humans first and AI second. You should make sure that your content actually sounds natural, conversational, and actually helpful. Because the truth is, the more time customers actually spends on your website, it actually boosts engagement and actually builds AI trust signals as well. So how do you actually leverage ChatGPT to generate SEO content? So in order to speed up your content creation process, for example, you can create blog post outlines for your roofing topics. You can create a compelling meta description within 120 characters and also come up with different variants of title text and header text. I would also recommend that you keep your Google My Business profile active with posts like every few days. And lastly, as I mentioned before, build FAQ sections for your website, but always remember to edit and fact check with whatever draft or outline that the AI is actually giving you. The truth is AI is actually going to give you a pretty good framework to work upon, but it's the human expertise and professionalism that actually makes your roofing website look trustworthy for the customer. And this part is called the build local SEO and authority. So for a roofing company, local SEO is pretty much everything. So, and here's what you should do. First of all, optimize your Google My Business profile with accurate name, with accurate information. It includes name, address, and phone. And keep on uploading fresh photos from the projects that you're actually completing. Get yourself listed in local directories like Yelp, BBB, Manta. As I showed you before in ChatGPT, that uh, these LLM models are actually extracting information from these directories as well. And most importantly, collect like authentic customer reviews. These are like major positive signals for the LLMs when it comes to ranking businesses. As you can see, another example of how the local map pack is actually similar to the uh, ChatGPT result that we just came across. You should also use ChatGPT to analyze your competitive strategy and find content gaps that you can target. Let's say a roofing company is doing like pretty well, and you actually take their content, copy, and then paste it in the ChatGPT and tell it to conduct a SWOT analysis and find like what is the strengths and what are the weakness, and then you can actually come up with your own plan and add your professional touch on the top of it. I can promise you, you're going to do a lot better than that competitor. And lastly, monitor AI search performance. So once you have actually optimized for your roofing website for AI and traditional SEO, we actually need to track performance because what cannot be tracked, like you won't really know what you're doing and where's your current position. So recently, I believe a few months back, Google Search Console actually rolled out their AI overview traffic. There's still a lot of debate about how accurate this actually is, but I still believe it's a pretty good benchmark to follow. You should also use like SEMrush or Ahrefs or other like SEO tools to check like which keywords the LLMs are actually extracting the information from. And I would say like you should thirdly that you update your content regularly every 6 months so that ChatGPT and other models can keep recommending you over and over again. Uh, the conclusion that I want to actually make is that you don't really need to do anything crazy when it comes to ranking in the LLMs. You just gotta follow the traditional SEO rules, which is create highly optimized content, build quality links, and make sure that your technical SEO is actually in check. And pretty much that's it. So, and guys, yeah, that's how you actually rank your roofing website using GPT and LLMs. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with whatever roofing is your challenges that you might be facing right now, and I would like to cover them in the next video. And most importantly, remember that the future of SEO is AI powered, and the best time to start is right now, and it's time to get ahead. And here's me. My name is Saif. I'm an SEO consultant. So if you're interested and if you want me to do all this stuff that I just talked about right now, you can actually book a meeting with me on the Calendly that I'm going to drop it in the description box. So till next time, see ya.